And here comes our crew in on final approach. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. Today we are visiting Black Point. And our jet boat gets a little sideways. My man steps over the line, gonna get onto the dock, but we're not really on the dock. I mean, we are, but they've got to get it right still and get it pulled around. What's our girl go? We got a girl over here on the right in the water. I'm not sure exactly what she's doing over there. But this ramp's slick. Up! She's going down. And there we go. The ramp's slick. The last thing you want to be doing is standing on the ramp here at Black Point. For multiple reasons, because of some of the things that of course are in the water, but the ramp is so slick that you could just slide down it, as our girl just did. And our jet boat's struggling to get it back around. They're starting to get there. I'm curious to see if our girl can even get out of the water. Not sure. It looks like she's looking for something. Maybe they've dropped something in the water and she's trying to see if she can get it. I really can't tell. I mean, obviously she's putting this on the ground, so she's trying to do something. So she's definitely looking for something. As to what it is, I'm not 100% sure. And whatever it is, it looks like we're going down again, but we're giving up the search. Hopefully it was nothing too important. But I mean, if she's in the water here, it probably was a phone or keys. And she's struggling once again. The ramp is just so slick right here. At least she's got something to hold on to now. And I don't know, she just reached into the water. She found whatever she was looking for. It looks like it was a phone, probably. She was in the wrong spot, but whatever it was, it looks like she found it as she was walking up. Crew's trying to get it pulled out. We've got the boat loaded. And our guy steps off, and so here we go. We're going for the pullout. And tires are in the water. Let's see if that has any effect on this one. Oh, it's going to load a little crooked. And the wet tires aren't going to help either. So he's going to back down again. I try and see if we can get the boat kicked over a little bit. Still spinning a little bit. And it looks like they're stuck again. And the boat's come back off again as well. It's just a little bit sideways. Spinning early. Usually when they come down like that, you'll get a little bit of a running start, but he lost that. You're going to have to get some people on the rear of this, or going to have to try and recenter where this boat is and get it a little further forward on the trailer. Because our guy's not even close. Part of the problem here, once again, when he backed down, he got those rear tires wet. That's definitely not helping the situation either. Oh, he's slowly crawling out. But we've got to get some weight on the back of the truck. Because he's not getting anywhere very fast. And it kind of give an inch, take an inch kind of thing. I mean, he's not really gaining any ground. So our guy walking down the dock, looks like he's going to jump over here and jump on the back of the truck as well. So we got two guys. Let's see if this is enough. At least gaining some momentum now. Uh-oh, sliding backwards. Got to be careful on that one. Good quick brake check there. If you start sliding backwards, that's a bad sign. We're going to slide back down just a little bit. Decides to commit to it, and there we go, gets it pulled over the top. That was a risky one, though, because they were sliding backwards a couple times when they started spinning tires. The old floating trailer trick, one of my faves. As you can see, the whole boat is kind of turning, because that means the trailer is floating right underneath it. And we can tell the trailer's tilting as they're trying to winch it on. That's probably not good, bro. I would not try and pull out like that. That one won't work. And he tries to push the boat back over onto the trailer. And he's winching it up. It looks like it's kind of leveled off. And the trailer's starting to sink back down. So he's going to go for the pullout. Let's hope the trailer doesn't tilt sideways on him as he's trying to do that. And he's got this truck pretty deep back here too. You can see his rear tires are halfway in the water. And there we go, spinning a little bit of tires. Everything looks to land right, and he looks like he'll be good to go, and he's going to be on his way. And speaking of being on your way, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, who does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.